Understanding the Mudslide Aftermath. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into an important and timely topic that touches on both nature and its impact on human lives. The Mudslide Aftermath. This phrase might seem straightforward, but there's a lot to unpack here, especially for English language learners. So, let's explore what a mudslide is, its consequences, and why understanding this term is crucial in today's world. A mudslide occurs when a mass of earth or rock moves downhill, driven by gravity and often triggered by factors like heavy rain, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or human activities that destabilize the land. Mudslides are a type of landslide, specifically involving a flow of mud, and they can happen quickly, sweeping away everything in their path. Understanding this natural disaster is essential, as it helps us grasp the scale and suddenness of these events. The term aftermath refers to the consequences or effects that follow a significant event, especially a catastrophic one. It's not just about the immediate aftermath but also the long-term impact on the affected area and its inhabitants. The aftermath of a mudslide can include loss of homes, changes to the landscape, and even broader environmental and economic effects. This word is crucial for understanding the scope of recovery and response efforts that follow such disasters. The impact of mudslides can be devastating. Beyond the immediate danger to life and property, mudslides often leave behind a trail of destruction that requires significant resources and time to rebuild. Infrastructure such as roads, bridges, and buildings can be damaged or destroyed, cutting off communities and complicating rescue and recovery efforts. The environmental consequences can also be severe, with the loss of vegetation, soil erosion, and water pollution affecting ecosystems long after the event. Understanding the phrase, mudslide aftermath, is about more than just vocabulary. It's about recognizing the human and environmental toll of these natural disasters. For learners of English, especially those in regions prone to such events, this knowledge can be crucial for safety, preparedness, and community support. Furthermore, discussing these topics raises awareness and empathy, encouraging global conversations about disaster response and resilience. We hope this video has shed light on the complex and impactful meaning behind the phrase, mudslide aftermath. As we've seen, mudslides are powerful natural events with far-reaching consequences for both people and the planet. By understanding these terms, we can better comprehend the challenges faced by affected communities and the importance of supporting recovery and prevention efforts. Thank you for watching, and stay safe, informed, and prepared.